So good day again. Here we are again to create another an AutoCAD activity, but this time it involves 3D. So first we will be making a 2D layout like this. Then we will be using tools, 3D tools to make it look like this. And if we were to change the style into realistic, um, this is the final product that we will be needing to make. So pardon me for lag. As you can see, this is the figure that we are trying to make. So this figure, I want again to ask our professor, which is this and this. So the figure, I think created it. So without further ado, let us go. Wait. So this there are lines that I've created ahead for guides. So without further ado, okay. So first we start the figure. I have a guide here open in my phone, so I will be showing it here. So we start here. 60 and 30, 30. So these dimensions that I'm creating are for guides only. So pardon me for the loud noises and filming in broad daylight where there are a lot of cars. Also for later we create should be also. Now from here we are making animation tools. Which is you can see this should be equal 60, which is correct. 18. Anyway, it's again for guide only. So by simply looking in the instruction, you already know what you will be doing. I think that's you. It's and in my experience. It. Then next, we'll be creating a circle with a radius of 7.5 here. 5 and 3. Also, another circle which is long 15, which fits perfect. So just removing some, like removing this one, and just simply delete it. There we have it. This is the figure. We will be making a 3D model. So to be sure, we need to have dimension 7. So it's correct for the 3D part. We will elevate this. We'll be using press. We'll be elevating this by 30. Also, this by 30. This by also the other side and change to our. As you can see, there's already a hole here, and we just need to finish this using chamfer edge. So we're selecting distance. It can be 21 and 40. And select the edge. It will look like this. So, as you can see, we have created this. Now, second, um, this one. So this is plan. This needs to be 52 and 60, and we have 40 and 52 again. After that, we see guide. So we may pause this. No, pause this. Next, we'll be creating also as a and this should be 18. And this 18, which is oops. So here we go. There you have. You can remove this. Also the one on top. And after doing that, you can just trim it. This bar. So this. Then now we'll be focusing on the 3D. So this has using first, we'll be elevating this into third. switch to yes. Um, oops. So we call line and find the center of this. So this circle has a distance of 30 circle whose diameter is 16. So in radius it should be just this another circle which the radius of it should be 60. Now we will see press and create out. Before that we can create this press and do it on the other side. Also here this one, and as you can see can this so anyways will be now in the back. At this side we will be using line for guide. We need to find the center in which we'll be putting the circles. There you go. Another one, another line. Uh, and it's to be this one. So to be sure, its dimensions need to be 40. As you can see, it's 40, and this dimension of the horizontal one needs to be 32. You see. Okay, correct. So make sure this needs to be so. Assuming that this is their center, let's call on for a circle because we're making a circle with a diameter of 18. After making a diameter of 18, you can remove the guidelines. If I can select it easily, wait, to select this easily. This, or just delete it. Go back to realistic view. It has use press full and it says it needs to be 30. Deleting some of the lines. So for finish, you can delete this and this and that. And if we were to make it into realistic view, it would look like this. So as you can see, there you have it. Is the 3D figures that we have created is tasked to me by our professor. I think that would be all, and thank you.